Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave Vision. So today we will cover Forex pair. So let's start with the DXY. DXY going as a this black wave 3. So we count this move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this market and this green wave 5 may started. So we are looking for the bearish side. So market move from one number to another number, like now market at this point this 100 act as a tested resistance. Tested resistance means like wave A, wave B and wave C a complete correction. So that's possible here. This correction may still is in play as a WXY X and Z, that's also possible, but we are looking for the next pattern in 98. At 98, if market give us the pattern like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, C in 1 hour time frame or in 4 hour time frame, then we will go towards the next point 95, the medium number between 90 to 100. So at this point market completed this correction and these 100 act as a tested resistance. So we can count this move in different ways, like this whole structure and this whole move we count as a wave 1, then this may A, B, C as a wave 2 we can count, but overall we are looking for the bearish side. If market give us this pattern above 100 like arrival, this reaction, and again if market give us the first high A, B and C, then we will go towards the bullish side for the deep correction like WXY or A, B and C as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can count this move like this brown wave 1, like wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can count this move as a wave 1. So as of now we are looking for the bearish side. Let's check this pattern in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, market completed its correction as a wave 4, green wave 4. Now we can count this move like this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and 5. Or we also count this move in different ways, like from this point to this point we can count like wave 1, A, B and C, this wave 2. So as of now we are looking for this round number 99 to give us the pattern. Market no touch very near to this 99 or market touch this 99. So now we are looking for the pattern like market arrived, reaction. So if market give us this first low A, B and C, then we will go towards the bearish number towards 98, the end of group 2. Group 2 belongs to 65, 72 and 80, the end of group 2. If market give us this pattern, then we will adjust this count. We can count as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, 2, or this structure we can count as a wave 1. So this is the way to go towards the bearish side. We just need to wait for this pattern arrival, reaction, first low below level. Market are already arrived at this point. So let's check the bullish bearish pattern. Market give us the arrival, then market react with the A, B and C with zigzag pattern, with flat pattern. Then again market give us the first low below level. After this first low we need to wait for the correction, then we can go simply with this wave B, or in lower time frame we can go again the arrival, reaction, first low below level, or simply impulsive move and its correction. So at this point we are looking for this reaction and its correction. So market arrived, reaction first low below level A, B and C. So let's check the next pair, Euro USD in daily time frame. In Euro USD we can count this move. We can count this move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4. This structure more belong to the triangle like wave A, B, C. Then market give us this wave D, then E, then we will go towards the bullish side. But the main thing is that this group 2 1.18, if market give us the classic trading level pattern, or if this point act as a tested support, then we will go towards this 20 1.20 and then 1.22. That's also possible. We can count this move like A, B and C as a flat pattern or as a WXY. Now market ready to go towards the bullish side. That's also possible here. Market go like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5. That's also possible. But in both cases, we need to wait for this 1.18. If this 1.18 act as a classic trading level pattern or act as a tested support, then we will go towards this next number 1.20. So let's check this structure in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we count this move like wave B, wave C as a WXY. Then now we are looking for this move as a WXAB. We can count this A, B and C. At this point also we can count. Now we are looking for this move to complete. If we want to join this move, then we need to wait for this 165. The classic trading level pattern work in any time frame. So at this point 165, the start of group 2. 65 belongs to group 2. At this point market arrived a reaction. So now we are looking for this first high. After this first high, market give us the A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 1.172. We can enter with directly with this wave B, or again in 15-minute time frame market give us the impulsive move and its correction. You can check this move in 15-minute time frame. Within this large number, market have the minor numbers and the micro numbers. Market arrived, react first high above level A, B, C, then market go towards the next point. Again, market give us the pattern number 3. Arrival, a reaction, like pattern number 3. First, we need to discuss this pattern number 3. Market give us this correction like A, B, and C. This leg shorter than this previous leg, like this, or at the same point. Market cross this point, give us a simple correction like A, B, and C. Then again, market go towards the next point. Again, market give us the correction, then go towards the next point. In 15-minute time frame, you can see this pattern like classic trading level pattern, this pattern like classic trading level pattern. This pattern work in any time frame. So at this point, you can go with this correction like A, B and C, or you can check correction again in 15-minute time frame. Market give us the impulsive move and its correction. Then we will go towards this 1.172 and the stop loss. So when we enter, then we can start with this point as a stop loss. Then we can, after the entry point, we can shift our stop loss at this point. Again market give us the classic trading level pattern above. In lower time frame we can shift our stop loss step by step with respect to the minor number, with respect to the micro levels. So we are ready to launch our trading level plus Elliott Wave Theory course as soon as possible. More likely, first chapter may release in this Sunday. We will update you in YouTube channel. So let's check the next pair, GBP USD British Pound, starting in daily time frame. At this point, we count this move from this low to this high as a wave 1, and this correction more look like the wave 2 as a wave A, B, C or WXY. Or that's also possible here. We count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 as a diagonal. Then market may give us this last leg, then go towards the bullish side. That's also possible here. So we count this move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, A, B, C, W, X and Y. So at this point market starts its correction around 1.38 and completed its correction around 1.3. The end of group 1. Group 1 belongs to 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. At this point market may completed its correction, or simply we count this move like A, B and C. So how we go with the setup? The question is that. So let's check this pattern and the trading setup in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame we count this move after this brown wave 2. We count this move like this wave 1. Market give us the A, B, C as a flat pattern. Again we count this move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now market ready to give us the classic trading level pattern above this 1.32. So at this point the end of group 1, 1.33. Here that's possible we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 at this point like this, wave 3, wave 4 at this point, like this. That's possible here. We can count this wave 3, wave 4 and now this black wave 5 of this green wave 3 is in play. That's also possible. Then market go up, give us the correction as a this green wave 4, then market go towards the bullish side. That's also possible at this point. So let's back to the our original count. So now we are looking for this wave 1 completed, wave 2 completed. Now how we join this leg, this wave 3? So if you want to enter with this wave 3, let's wait for the classic trading level pattern at 1.33. If market give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, C, then market will go towards this 1.35. Our next target at this point 1.35. Then again market give us the classic trading level pattern at 1.35. Then we will go towards the 1.365. So now we need to wait for this pattern to enter, and we can start our stop loss at this point like this. So now we are waiting for this pattern, then we will enter with this wave B, or we can direct enter with this wave B. If market give us the arrival and correction, then we will go towards the bullish side, because market already give us this pattern. Like market not stop at 1.32. If you check this pattern, market not stop at this point, directly give us the high A, B and C. So we can go directly with this wave B. We can go, but if we go in lower time frame with the classic trading level pattern at this point, then we can shift our stop loss below this pattern in lower time frame. Like this, if market give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, C, then after the entry point we can start or we can shift our stop loss below this point or at this point, the safe area. So let's check our next pair, Canadian dollar in daily time frame. We count this move from this point as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this black wave 1. We count this move like wave 1, 2, 3 or wave A, B and C. In both cases we are looking for the bearish setup. So now this correction may completed at this point 1.41, or that's also possible market give us the correction like W, X, Y, X and Z. That's also possible market go like this. But how we go with the setup, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at the 1.40 and market give us the classic trading level pattern. Like market arrived at this point, give us the reaction. Now market may complete its low. So now simply we need to wait for this wave A, B, C. Then we will go towards the bearish side. Our next area around 1 point in long term setup 1.365 we can go. With respect to this 1.38, the end of group 2, we will discuss in our course how we go and respect the all levels, minor levels, micro levels and the classic trading level pattern. So let's check this structure in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame we count this move like wave 1, A, B and C as a black, wave 2. Now we are looking for this brown wave 1 to complete, like market give us this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Now we are looking for this last leg as a first low below level. Then again market give us the arrival, a reaction, first low below level in lower time frame A, B, C. Then we go with the bearish setup in lower time frame. This pattern again we need to find in lower time frame. Overall market give us this classic trading level pattern. In daily time frame market arrived, react. Now we are looking for the first low below level. Let's check again in daily time frame. Market give us this pattern at 1.40. Market give us the arrival, a reaction, first low below level. So now we are looking for this A, B and C. Then we can go directly with this wave B in daily time frame. In lower time frame or intraday setup we need to wait again for the classic trading level pattern. So at this point again we need to wait for the pattern below this 1.40. like, so let's check the another number 1.39, 1.98. So now market cross this point, give us the A, B and C. We can go directly with this point, but the count Elliott wave give us this last leg. If market go down, go towards this 39, the round number, then again market ready to go towards the correction like wave A, wave B, wave C. Then again after this correction we will enter like the arrival reaction first low below level A, B, C. So let's check our next pair, Japanese yen in daily time frame. This pattern we count this move from this wave 3 to this wave 4 like market completed its wave 3. Now this wave 4 may behave like A, B, C, D, E as a triangle. Market not cross this leg. Or that's possible we count this move like A, B and C as a black wave B. That's also possible here. We count this move like A, B and C simply. So market give us the pattern at 150, the medium number, strong number. So market give us the pattern at this point, arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Now market ready to go towards the next number 160 or 165. So at this point we need to wait for clear classic trading level pattern for the bearish side at 150. In lower time frame we need to wait for 155, give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the bearish side. Otherwise this strong number give us the next target area around 160 or 165. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for this strong number give us the classic trading level pattern, or at least in lower time frame below 155 we will go towards the bearish side. So we count this move like A, B, C, D and E. So now market go like wave A, wave B and wave C. At this point market give us the arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, C, then we will go towards the next number as a wave C. Or if we want to join this leg, then we need to wait for the pattern in 1 hour time frame at 155. So let's check the lower time frame. So at this point we count this move like A, B and C. Now that's possible this last leg wave C give us the anti-diagonal like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and now market may again go towards the bullish side towards 160. Or we count this move like as a wave A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C, Y. That's also possible. We count this move as a W, X, Y. This correction may completed at this point. That's also possible. But if you check this pattern, this leg, this is more look like the corrective pattern, not the impulsive pattern. I cross check this pattern like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a diagonal, but this wave 5 leg is shorter than this previous leg. Or if we count like the move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again this market and this move give us the vibe that this pattern belongs to the corrective move. Or if we want to count forcefully as an impulsive move, we can count like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. That's also possible here. But as of now, until market give us the classic trading level pattern below 155, like this. If market give us the pattern, market arrived, give us the low. So now again we need to wait for the pattern, like, okay, at this point 155, market arrived, react, arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, C. Then we will go towards the next point. So as of now we need to wait for clear impulsive move at this point. Like, we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5 as a leading diagonal. This whole pattern may behave like the leading diagonal as a wave 1 if this pattern completed at this point. But I am thinking that this pattern may still is in play. At this point, the upper area belongs to 156. Okay, at this point, if market give us the pattern around 156.5 classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the bullish side. So let's wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point, then we will decide to go towards the bearish side or the bullish side. So we count this move like W, X and Y. Now market go towards the bearish side like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. Again market give us this pattern. Then market go towards the bearish side as a end of group 1, 153. Then go towards the 151 and 150. So let's check our pattern. Next pair, last pair, Swiss CHF. In CHF, market completed its correction as a this green wave B, A, B, and now we are looking for the last leg of this pattern, this wave C of the brown wave Y, as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now we are looking for this last leg. But the main thing is that the area, the strong number 0.8, the end of group 2. If market give us the classic trading level pattern at this point, below this point, then we will go towards the bearish side. Otherwise, we can adjust our count like wave 1, wave 2, this black wave 3, this black wave 4, and we can shift our black wave 5 at this point of this green wave C of the black brown wave Y. Then market ready to go towards the bullish side like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, go towards the bullish side. That's also possible here. But overall, we are looking and adjusted our count according to the market situation. We are looking for the bearish side. But if market give us the classic trading level pattern above this 0.8, then we will go towards the bullish side. As of now, market completed its correction A, B, and C at this point or at this point. So let's check this structure in lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. So at this point we count the hour move like wave C of this black wave 4, like wave A, wave B, and wave C of this black wave 4 may complete it at this point. If this is the case, if market completed its correction, then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. Market already give us the arrival like wave 1. We count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5 as a diagonal, or we count move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4. That's possible. Market go little down and then give us the correction. Then we count our move, this whole move like wave 1. Or now we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. But now this structure more look like the corrective pattern or the diagonal, leading diagonal as a way 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how we go towards the bearish side, market give us the arrival, a reaction. Now we are looking for the first low below level A, B, C. Then we will go towards the bearish side towards the 0.79. If market give us the classic trading level pattern, and after this pattern we can start our stop loss at this point and at this point, like this. We can start our stop loss at this point, then shift at this point. So now we are looking for this pattern, arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B and C. Let's check this pattern. So market give us the arrival, a reaction, first low below level A, B and C. After this first low and the correction, it's mean that market ready to go towards the bearish side. Then we need to wait for the impulsive move in lower time frame in 30 minutes, in 15 minutes or in 5 minutes, the impulsive move and its correction. We can go directly with this wave B. But if we follow this wave B, then we can start our stop loss with this arrival or with this erection at this point. But if we follow the classic trading level pattern again, then we can start our stop loss at this point or at this point. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the crypto pairs. So take care. Bye bye.